you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it is Uncle Chris. So, you like those nuggets? Those chicken nuggets? You saw how they were made, right? All right, so maybe you're craving them in the middle of the night or early in the morning. And you could do two things. Go out in the cold weather or have them delivered to you for $20. What? You got it like that? I don't. Okay. Come on, let me show you how to make those chicken nuggets at home, healthy, and without all the chemicals. Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna start with some real chicken. I'm gonna take half of it and put it in a bowl. Why only half? Because I'm making two types of nuggets, okay? Just to show you, for example. All right. So in this bowl, I'm mixing them up. I've got some garlic powder. I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon. I've got some black pepper. I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon. I have some sweet and savory rub. Same thing, for that barbecue flavor. I'm putting in 1 teaspoon. I'm mixing this up to get our spices all incorporated with our meat. This is easy. Anybody can do this. I know you think chicken nuggets are hard, but no, they are not. Now, we're going to bind them together using 1 egg. I got to show you guys how to do the one-handed thing. And we're going to crumble up about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crackers because I'm only using half of the meat pack. Okay, so just 5 for these nuggets. These are going to be the regular nuggets. Then we're going to make some spicy ones. Put in 5 more. I'm going to try the double batter thing. Okay. Don't worry about cross-contamination, no, because, yep, the chicken's going in here anyway. Repeat our spices. Black pepper, garlic powder, sweet and savory. You don't have to use any barbecue spice. You just use the garlic and black powder, black pepper. Take with our clean hands, and yes, my hands are clean. Make a little ball, roll it in your flour. Oh, I made one mistake. I didn't season my flour. I got flour over here. I didn't season it, y'all. But it's gonna be 1 chicken nugget. Get the flour, go ahead and season it. Wash my little piggies. Now, let's season this flour with some garlic powder. Some black pepper. I'm using a teaspoon each. Now, if you want to put more, you can, because I do get a little heavy-handed. I'm using my savory rub, sweet and savory. I'm putting about 2 teaspoons of that in. I'm gonna mix the flour together. Then I'm gonna reflour this 1 nugget. You know, I might not have to dip them in the batter. It might be easier just not to do that. But I'm gonna try it anyway. Around in the egg, which is messy, and back to the flour. Okay, it wasn't so bad. Let me get another plate to prepare these on. Okay. Flatten him out there. And you just repeat the process for the rest of them. Roll them in the flour. Don't make them too big. Put them in the egg bath. Put them in the flour again. Put the egg bath closer to the flour. Now I'm going to do the rest of these and we can put them in the fryer. Now for the spicy nuggets, yep, I'm going to add a couple dribble drabs of Louisiana hot sauce to the chicken, and then I'm going to add the hot sauce to the egg. And just give it a mix in there. Oh yeah. Mix these up in here. Now because I added that hot sauce, you know what? I'm gonna add the rest of these crackers so that it'll be thick enough for me to form them into the nuggets. Look at that hot sauce. Now, I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. Because these are spicy nuggets. No chemicals, no pesticides to make it hot. I'm not gonna mention who does that, but you all know. Just look it up. Now we're gonna take some, roll them in the flour. Just like that. Roll them in the egg wash. Roll them in the flour. Just like that. Once you get started, you get a rhythm to it. I'm putting the spicy ones on that side. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of these off camera, and then we are gonna go over to the stove and fry them up. All right, we've got our nuggets all ready to go into the fryer. So these are the spicy ones. I put a little more seasoning on them so I can know, and these are the regular. 4 regular, 4 spicy. A total of 8 nuggets, half and half. Let's go over to the fryer and fry them up and then put our sauces together. Oh yes. Okay, let's slowly put our nuggets in our hot grease. I'm gonna start with our not spicy. Ooh. These are the regular nuggets going in. All right. Let these cook until golden brown and cooked all the way through. I'd say anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. Make it 10 minutes, y'all. Because they cook pretty quick. Okay? Look, nieces and nephews. See how they float to the top? That means they are done. And look how pretty they look. Come on. Let's scoop them up. Yeah. And take them on out. Now, let's slowly put in our spicy ones. All right. Let's get these out. Ooh, let them stay a little bit too long. That's all right, that's still good. I'm gonna let them drain, and let's go get our sauces together. Ooh, look at this. We got our chicken nuggets done. These are the spicy ones over here. Now, I've got some honey mustard, just like they would give you. I'm gonna put that on the middle here. Then I've got some ketchup, which they give you. I'm gonna put that over here on the side. Then I've got my sauce. It's a hot sauce maple. Take you some hot sauce, put a couple shots in here. I've already made it, but I'm showing you how I make it. Take you some pancake maple syrup, put that in here. And then take you some garlic to taste and put that in here also. Mix it up and you've got something really good, as my refrigerator hums in agreement. Yeah. I'm gonna set that over here by the spicy ones. That is for the spicy nuggets. Come on, take a closer look. We've got our sauce. We've got our nuggets. And look how big they are. And made with real chicken. And the sauces, well, come on. You know what's in those too. You can't beat that. You get the first bite. Okay, we're gonna try these here. Which one should I try first? I'll try the regular one first. Oh, look at that. Still hot. I'm gonna try a little honey mustard, cool them down. Oh yeah. And these taste like chicken. Yeah. Oh, let's try the spicy ones. Look at that. Give them a dip. Ooh. We got hot maple garlic. Like I said, these are spicy without using a chemical. Well, now you know how to do it yourself. And you don't have to go out there and pay $20 to have somebody deliver it to you. Or pay for something that's made with pink. God knows what that was in the video. All right, I need you to try this recipe and to like, to comment, and subscribe. That'll help my channel to help you with recipes like this to stretch your budget and feed your kids, if you have any, without giving them bad food. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Let me know what you want me to fix next. Let me know if you got pictures you want me to show on the show. And I got some recipes for some of our nieces coming up that I'm going to show on the show. Hello, little puppy doggy. Ooh, these are spicy. Now, I'm going to finish these off. And I want you all to have a good day. And, oh, check out Simple Meals by T Vlog. This is a collaboration we're doing all this week. Healthy fast foods. We're recreating all of your favorite fast foods on a healthy basis so that you too can make it. Oh, and by the way, the oil I use, natural corn oil, not seed oil. That seed oil will bubble your guts. All right, till next time tomorrow. Big love from Uncle Chris, and see what I do next. Let's just say, yo quiero Uncle Chris. Not that other place. All right, bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got